Tip 2. Love and be committed to your wife.
There is no doubt that a large proportion of successful fathering revolves around creating a home environment that is secure and lasting. One of the most important elements required in developing this type of home environment is having a solid foundation in your relationship with the children's mother. The security of knowing that mom and dad love each other can settle many childhood fears and anxieties and release a sense of peace into a child's heart that imparts confidence and self-esteem. Many children from broken homes lack this peace and confidence and are disadvantaged greatly in life. The statistics on marriage these days are merely a reflection of the lost values in our society, and no matter what anyone may try to tell you, a child needs the love of both parents constantly to mature intellectually, emotionally, and spiritually. The Bible teaches that marriage is for life, not just when it is convenient or feels good. A wise man once told me that in marriage, your commitment will keep your love. Love alone will not keep your commitment. Christian marriage is a covenant or solemn vow between a man and a woman to love and to cherish each other, to give their lives for each other until they are parted by death. All other physical relationships are like a house that is built upon sand. Eventually, it will come crashing down. Within Christian marriage, where there is an abundance of love and mutual respect and honor, children prosper and grow to be the best they can be. Because of the hardness of our human hearts, many of us choose what seems the easy way out and get a divorce rather than humble ourselves and work through the problems that every couple faces. The grass is not greener on the other side, and unfortunately, it is often the children that suffer the most from divorce.
Suggested action.
Renew your commitment to your wife. When you are alone, make a daily confession, I love my wife and I'm in love with my wife.
Scripture references.
Genesis chapter 2 verse 24. Therefore a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and they shall become one flesh. Ephesians chapter 5 verse 25. Husbands, love your wives just as Christ also loved the church and gave himself for her. Mark chapter 10 verses 2 to 9. The Pharisees came and asked him, Is it lawful for a man to divorce his wife? Testing him. And he answered and said to them, What did Moses command you? They said, Moses permitted a man to write a certificate of divorce and to dismiss her. And Jesus answered and said to them, Because of the hardness of your heart he wrote you this precept. But from the beginning of the creation, God made them male and female. For this reason, a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh. So then they are no longer two but one flesh. Therefore what God has joined together, let not man separate.
A father's testimony.
Anyone can make a baby, but it takes a man to be a father. Ta-Nehisi Coates.